Hello. So for this assignment, you are going to go find out more about your interests that lead to your job. So you're going to look at jobs that match your interests. So it says go to My Next Move and find this thing right here. So if you click on if you click on it, it'll take you to My Next Move. You're going to have to scroll down to find this one right here, Interests. So you remember from the other assignment that you have 3 of your main biggest interests, and I want you to pick one of them. Okay, so maybe your inventory answers said that you are artistic. So you're going to click on artistic, and then you're just going to look through the job titles and see which one looks interesting to you, or see which one you never thought about before. Oh, artistic people like to be childcare workers. That's interesting. The ones with the yellow sunshine are jobs that are growing, so that means that they need more of them, and maybe it would be easier to find a job. Art therapist. That's interesting. I've never heard of art therapist. I've heard of a therapist before. I know they help people, but how do you help people with art? So then you're going to click on that, and you're going to watch the video up here. Okay? While you're watching the video, I want you to try to learn more about that job. You're going to write down 3 things that you learned from the video. Okay, so let me show you that again. My Next Move, scroll down, Interests, pick which one you want to find out about, find a job that interests you, watch the video, and try to notice 3 things excuse me, that you learned from the video. All right? You're going to do that for 3 different jobs. Okay. Have a great day. Stay safe. See you soon.